Hey guys, it's Gabby. For today's video, I partnered up with Jofay Fashion to try out their press-on nails from Amazon. They sent me over a few sets and they did let me pick them out, so that's what you guys are seeing right now. And I have to say, this came at a perfect time because my right hand has been neglected. They're super short. I've been meaning to do my cuticles and they just look crusty. You guys will see in a second, but look at that. I've been walking around like this, especially my thumb. I don't even know what's going on. So we're gonna quickly unbox them. I'm gonna show you guys how to prep your nails, how to apply them, and yeah. So getting right into it, this particular set is $5.99, and it does have a good range of sizes because I was able to find one to fit my thumb. If you have a wider thumb, you know it's a struggle because sometimes they just don't make press-on nails wide enough. I don't know why, but with these you should be good. And in each kit, you're gonna get the little sticky tabs so you can apply your press-on nails that way. You get some lint-free wipes, a mini nail file, an orange wood stick, and then you're also gonna get a little tube of glue. So you have two options on how to apply these. All right, let's get into some much needed nail prep. So I'm just gonna start by cutting off the little nail that I have left just to make sure as they grow out, everything is nice and even. And I might actually grow these out round. That has nothing to do with anything, but I have been thinking about trying out the almond nail trend, but not on both hands, just on this hand. We'll see. Anyways, after that, I'm gonna grab my nail file and again, make sure everything is even. So this is where you're gonna file and shape your nails no matter what the shape is, but I would recommend going shorter just so the press-on nails apply easier. Next, you want to push back / remove your cuticles off of your nail plate, and typically this is an easy process for me because I like to keep up with my nail care routine, but clearly I have not been doing that, so this definitely took a little bit longer than usual. I'm going to start by taking a metal tool just because they were pretty hard, and I'm just going to start gently pushing that back, and then I'm going to take the other end and then just scrape that off of the nail plate. And like I said, they needed some work. So after this, I went in with some cuticle remover and the orange wood stick and pretty much did the same thing, but I mainly focused on the sides of my nail just to make sure everything was nice and cleared. I always say there's so many methods to remove your cuticles, so really just finding one that works for you, that you're comfortable with is the main thing. And when it comes to trimmers, just make sure you know what you're doing so that you're not cutting yourself or anything like that, and you should be good. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and size my nails. I like to do this before finishing my nail prep, and I'll explain why, but you wanna make sure each nail fits sidewall to sidewall. If you see that it's a little bit too small, size up and then just file it down to fit your nail. And honestly, I don't even focus on the design. When I'm sizing my nails, I just really go with whatever's closest and just go from there. So I ended up having 3 accent nails and then 2 solid nails. If you want to change it based on the design, completely up to you. But after I've picked out all my nails, I'm going to continue my nail prep, and this is probably one of the most important steps, and that is removing the shine from your nail, and it's going to help to create something for the press-on nails to adhere to. So unless you want your press-on nails just to pop off, make sure you're doing this step, and you don't want any shiny spots. You want that matte, kind of dull look to each nail. And to do this, I'm just using that little file that came inside of the kit. Once you're done with that step, this is what your nails should look like. And then you're gonna take that lint-free wipe that came in the kit and some rubbing alcohol and just wipe it on all of your nails, wiping off that filing dust and any oils that may be on your nails. And that is it for the nail prep. You're gonna do that when you're using the sticker tabs and also when you use nail glue to apply your press-on nails. For the first example, we're gonna be using the little sticker tabs, and these are better if you're looking for more of a short-term wear, but honestly, these things will still last you. It really just depends on lifestyle and how you nail prep. But I went ahead and placed each sticker on my nail, and then I peeled off the other side of the plastic so that both sides were sticky so it can stick to my nail and also the fake nail. Because I already sized and laid out the press-on nails, I just need to pick them up and place it onto my hand. And I do go down at an angle. This is gonna help it look more natural even though it's sitting on top of a sticker. And then I did press it down just to try to get it as flat as possible. And that's it. You're gonna repeat this on all of your nails. And this should go by really fast. This is the easy part. The nail prep is what takes the longest when it comes to press-on nails. And these nails did feel sturdy to me. This is me banging them against my desk and hitting them just to see if anything would pop off. I was trying to test it. This is all I could think of. I am not a press-on nail expert, but again, they felt sturdy to me and I absolutely love the design. This is literally spring on my nails. So cute. For the next design, we're gonna use the little glue that comes with the press-on nails, and I'm just gonna squeeze that out onto my nail. It is already prepped, and I didn't put it all the way down toward the cuticle or the sides of the nail so that I can use the fake nail to press it around. So again, I'm gonna go down at an angle and just slowly move it down toward my cuticle just to make sure everything looks flush and nice. And this turned out so good. I don't know what I was expecting because I'm still newer to press on nails, but I was shocked, you guys. I held this down pretty firmly for probably 30, maybe 45 seconds. If you're unsure, just keep holding it, and then this is how it turned out. I love this design. This one is my favorite. I actually did one pretty similar maybe 1 or 2 months ago. I'll put it on the screen, but it's just with the gems. Oh, I love it. And I do have to say, I think I like the look of the glue more just because it lays flatter on my nail. But I wanted to try and see if I can get it a little more natural with the stickers. So we're doing another set because why not? And I really tried to angle it down more before laying it flat on the sticker. And I think that did help. You guys will have to let me know if I'm completely making that up, but I think it did lay a little bit better than my first attempt. Maybe. But either way, another cute design. I really like how unique their designs are because I've never seen this personally. It's a mixture of that aura nail mixed with some gems, a little bit of swirl, and it's just a really fun spring summer vibe. Overall, if you're looking for some press-on nails, I think Jofay is a good brand to try out, and I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you are interested. Thank you again to Jofay for working with me on this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!